Schoolhouse Intuitive Tarot with Animals, card 21. Now, this is all about connectedness and companionship. This is about realizing that we're no greater than any other animal, right? We're all connected. If you want to feel grounded, if you really want to feel part of something greater than yourself, spend some time with nature, spend some time amongst animals. If you have a pet, great, spend some time with that pet. If you have a pet, then you know what unconditional love is and what true connectedness is. That is the best form of companionship we can ask for.